Sale Residences. Ito yung Sale Residences. Tapat lang siya ng MOA, Mall of Asia. Tapat na tapat lang siya ng Mall of Asia. I-tour natin yung Sale Residences. Doon na tayo ngayon sa tapat ng Sale Residences.
Now, let's take a look at the future development of Sale Residences. Mag-i-stand out na nga siya kasi meron din siyang 2022 winner Best Condominium Architectural Design Award. Our site development plan. So we have 4 towers. Dito tayo sa Tower 1. So sa tapat mismo niyan, doon tayo nag-video kanina. From Mall of Asia, nung tumawid tayo, then andito tayo sa tapat. And the other best part, you'll have shops right below your condo for easy access. Welcome to our grand lobby. So this lobby is really going to be grand kasi maglalagay sila dyan ng malaking chandelier. It will welcome you with luxury, blending hotel-style elegance with comforting feel of home. Imagine that ganyang kabongga ang Sale Residences natin in the future. Another grand thing about Sale Residences is this 3-level viewing deck. Located siya sa 16th floor, 11th floor, and 7th floor. Imagine this pag natapos siya, enjoying the views with your loved ones. Then let's go ahead and take a look in our amenity area, another best part. One of a kind din ang ating amenity here in Sale Residences. We have expansive pool, gazebos, jacuzzi, central garden, 3-court, wooden walkway deck, and the best part is yung pinaka-centerpiece ng ating amenity is yung clubhouse. So imagine this, pag nagawa na siya, glass walls, then meron siyang feature na waterfalls. We also have indoor gym and function rooms. And now, let's take a look at our purposely designed living spaces, ang ating mga available units. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa actual unit ng Sale Residences. So, nandito tayo sa balcony, nakatayo tayo sa